I invite the Chief Guest, Mrs. Hema Gopal, Vice President, Tata Consultancy Services, to address the candidates. Before to that, I invite Mr. Governing Council Member to honor the Chief Guest by presenting bouquet and memento.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, the managing trustee, the heads of the departments, well-wishers, industry specialists and invitees, most of all, the most respected parents and my dear students. Good morning to all of you. It is a great pleasure for me on behalf of Tata Consultancy Services to be here on the 9th graduation day of this great institution, Agni College of Technology. My personal congratulations to the proud parents, relatives, well-wishers of the graduating class of 2013 gathered here today for this happy and momentous occasion. The class of 2013 is the latest flagship of this wonderful institution and a great example of its continuing contribution to the nation, to Indian and also to the world at large. On behalf of all of us from the industry, I have spent quite an amount of time with your managing trustee, the principal and other research initiators of this great institution. May I request the parents and the graduates to give a standing ovation to the managing trustee for the visionary that he is and the institution for what it is today, with a great round of applause. I really request the parents also, because of him and the visionary like him, the entire institution is what it is today. And I don't hear all the applause that I should have heard from all of you. Thank you so much. Sir, we really dedicate this to you for your great vision and the thoughts, and I wish a very, very grand success to the institution under your leadership and also the leadership of the entire staff on the stage and off the stage. Thank you so much. Kindly be digital millennium. We are seeing rapid change and evolution. Even from your perspective as students, within a short span of 4 years, entering the college 4 years back until now, when you are passing out, the world has changed tremendously. The individual has been empowered as never before. You can blog, you can Orkut, and you can YouTube your way in and out of communities. There's a you in the real world and your avatar in the virtual worlds like Second Life. Both coexist. I was recently in the beautiful Swiss town of Lausanne and visited the EPFL, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. They are researching an intriguing dimension of high-performance computing systems and the ability to develop human-like consciousness in laboratories. The CRL, the Tata Group of Company, which has made the ECA the fastest computer, the 4th fastest in the world and the fastest in Asia, could be pushing similar frontiers in the future. You will be part of some of the most exciting areas in the engineering in this country. The kind of briefing that I've heard and the kind of initiatives from day one of your entry into this great institution, I have been told that you are actually made up of a career professional, not after you graduated, like all of us who actually got graduated and started looking for jobs or hired. Teamwork and collaboration. As a TCS person, I work with people across various countries. There are about 78.
Mr. B. Arun Karthik. Mr. Arvind Vignesh. Mr. A. Balaji. Miss B. Divya Bharati. Miss J. Dorothy. Miss Hemavati. I request guardians and parents to give a big round of
Gautami. Harish Sriram. Joseph Raj. Kannan. Karthik. Rajmohan. Rula Priya.
In fact, our college management is reimbursing their money paid to the college, tuition money paid to the got university ranks. From EEE department, I invite Ms. R.A. Abhirami.
मारी पोचे मेरा
Big round of applause. Now she is receiving the cover for the money saved.